5 and 5 cancels out each other, leaving us with 2 here. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, if you have multiplication and division present in an expression, we must work from left to right. So let's rewind and solve this expression the right way. If you notice, in this expression, we have division and multiplication operators present, and in between we have a fraction present. So according to the rules, we must work from left to right. So we must solve this division first. So it's 4 divided by 2 over 5, and to solve it and make our lives easier, we can use KCF rule: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 4 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 2 over 5 as 5 over 2, and then we have times 5 available from the original expression. Now 4 and 2 are divisible by 2, so 2 divided by 2 leaves us with 1 here, and 4 divided by 2, that leaves us with 2. This becomes 2 times 5 times 5, which is much simpler to simplify now. So 2 times 5, that gives us 10, and 10 times 5, that gives us 50, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.